Good morning, everyone. I have something of the utmost importance to discuss with you. Etiquette is something simply everyone must implement into their lives, and that is what we are here to discuss today. Behave yourselves. It is not difficult, my dears, but here are some friendly reminders. Once you are notified of an upcoming assembly, you should hastily make your way towards the gym. No, not like that! You're doing it wrong! There, that's much better. Remember, when you arrive to the gym, sit in your section. Once you are seated, you simply must limit your intrusiveness on your peers. Sit up straight with your feet attentively. Do not use your phone. That behavior is intolerable. Now, we shall talk about our behavior during these assemblies. Respect your speakers and performers. Keep quiet when you are instructed. Do not heckle other students or speakers. And most importantly, watch your mouth. Racist, transphobic, homophobic, anti-religious, ableist, and other such bigoted comments will not be tolerated. You will be in close proximity to many other students. And in case you have failed to notice, teenagers all smell. All of them. Shower and use deodorant. For yourself and the benefit of other students. And remember, Axe body spray does not count. What you bring with you must leave with you. Throwing things away or leaving your trash is irritating and disrespectful. Do not do it! Assemblies are supposed to be fun. Cheer for your beloved teachers and peers. But your poor behavior could ruin it for everyone. Your hearts.